Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro, how popular is it? We'll find out coming right up. Sally French, otherwise known as the Drone Girl, has an outstanding blog, and she's also on Twitter. I highly recommend you check out her blog. She does probably one of the best drone blogs that's out there, and she does excellent on Twitter as well. And that's where I get most of my information from her. The other day, she published an article, and in it she referenced KittyHawk. Now, if you're familiar with KittyHawk, it's an app that you can use, and it's wonderfully integrated with the DJI Go 4 app. Billy Kyle did a video on that, and I'm going to put a link in the description so you guys can check that out. He did an outstanding job on that. I won't get into that. But what Sally did the other day, the Drone Girl, she put out some incredible statistics. Now, the statistics, I'm going to put the slide up on the screen here. And the slide is most popular drones by model in KittyHawk. Now, this is pertaining to the KittyHawk app users. Just want to clarify this up front, okay? The number one is the Mavic Pro at 21.83%. Number two is the Phantom 4 at 9.56%. Number 3 is the Phantom 4 Pro at 8.6%. Number 4 is the Phantom 3 Standard at 5.67%. Number 5 is the Phantom 3 Pro at 4.14%. Number 6 is the Inspire 1 at 3.97%. Number 7 is the Spark at 3.63%. Overall, DJI makes up 71.8% of all drones in KittyHawk's database. The 3D Robotics Solo is the most popular non-DJI drone, and that's at 1.73%. By brand, the second most popular brand is Unique with 2.5% of the total database. And you can see that the most popular drone is listed as the Mavic Pro. Now, again, bear this in mind that this is from KittyHawk's database. This is not sales figures. This is just purely from KittyHawk. I'm going to put the next slide up right now. And I'm going to read you some things for it. DJI has a 72% global market share across all price points and an even higher share, 87% of the core $1,000 to $1,999 price segment, according to the 2017 Drone Market Sector Report by Skylogic Research. And DJI's figures only appear to be on the rise. DJI had just a 50% market share in Skylogic Research's 2016 version of the same report, and then you can see the pie chart down there. I'm going to put a link to Sally's, not only to her Twitter account, but also to her blog and also to this article as well. That's fantastic. You know, this really kind of bears in line with also my views on my videos. Time and time again, videos that I get on the Mavic Pro get the most views. It corroborates exactly what she's saying on there. So without a doubt, the DJI Mavic Pro is the most popular drone. As far as that popularity, it lines up with KittyHawk's database. So I'm thinking it's going to line up as well because of what I see in my viewership. So I think those are some fantastic numbers. If you like the contents from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI related. And also check out my blog where I do post all my videos there as well. Thanks for watching and happy flying!